So tonight we have our annual showcase for our thesis, and we've spent the last 8 months putting it together. So my project, I did a mental health facility for youth with anxiety and depression, and my client was CAMH. And so I really focused on making a facility that was functional for staff and for clients.
I do think that the interior design program has prepared me for life after graduation. It's a really good mix of hands-on and concept and conceptual design, and that's why I chose Humber specifically.
The professors were really instrumental in helping us gain the skills and the knowledge that we need. They really make sure that we look at everything through a conceptual lens to make sure that we have a step-by-step process of where we need to go.
Many of our students are working in the interior design field as well as in architectural firms where they are practicing interior design. And we see our students going to a broader range of firms year after year. And we're really happy to see that a lot of students are working in the firms where they do their work placement after third year.
My internship experience was absolutely amazing. I got hired at a really great firm. It's like a family there, and I'm actually going to return there for a full-time position.
We definitely have learned a lot throughout our 4 years at Humber. They taught us a lot of good technical skills, people skills, and also they're really good at helping us network and just, I guess, reach out to people out in the industry.
I think one thing that Humber has always done really well is set a strong foundation. The students come out with passion and a desire to keep learning, and I think that's an important thing. Humber definitely has a great reputation and great quality students that have been turning into great designers. To see some of the design leadership in Toronto as Humber alumni is always great to see.